In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Docs to manage your citations effectively. This skill can be incredibly beneficial when working on academic papers or any document that requires references and attributions. Let's get started by heading over to Google Docs and logging into your account. Simply open up your web browser and navigate to the Google Docs homepage. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, open the document you're working on or start a new one if you're beginning from scratch. Now, let's dive into the tools that Google Docs offers for managing citations. Start by clicking on the Tools menu in the top navigation bar. When this menu drops down, look for the option labeled Citations and click on it. This action will prompt a sidebar to appear on the right-hand side of your screen, specifically tailored for managing your citations. In the sidebar, you'll notice there's an option to select a citation style. Google Docs supports multiple formats, so you can choose between MLA, APA, and Chicago. The version you select should align with the guidelines provided by your teacher, professor, or publisher. It's an important choice as different formats have distinct rules for how citations should be structured. Next, it's time to add a citation source. Click on the plus Add Citation Source button. Here, you'll need to specify the type of source you're citing, such as a book, journal article, or a website. After choosing the source type, indicate how you accessed it. Options include print, website, or online database. This information is crucial as it helps format the citation correctly. Now, fill out the form with all necessary details. This includes the author's name, the title of the work, the publisher, the date of publication, and any available URLs if it's an online source. Once you have all these details in place, click on Add Citation Source to save it. When you are ready to insert a citation into your text, place your cursor at the precise location within the document where the citation should appear. In the citation sidebar, hover over the citation you've added and click Cite. Google Docs will automatically generate a formatted in-text citation code, such as Smith 2022, if you're using APA style. To generate a bibliography, place the cursor where you want it to appear, usually at the end of the document. Go back to the Citations sidebar and click on Insert Bibliography. Google Docs will create a formatted bibliography using your added sources. If you need to add or update sources later, simply click on Insert Bibliography again to refresh it. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage and format citations in Google Docs, ensuring your work is both professional and accurately referenced.